Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add headers and footers in Google Docs. Let me show you how to add that. Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just opened Chrome browser, so I just want to create a docs. So docs will help us to have a different kind of access from your laptop to mobile phone to desktop, anything else. So on your right hand side you will find an option called Google application. So once you click a Google application, there are plenty of application will be available. Just select the docs. So docs is similar to the Word documents. So just hit the button in the blank document. So I'm going to create a new documents for my office or any other purpose. I just have some words and I have some important information inside my docs. So I would like to insert the header and footer of this docs. So this is a Google Docs. How to insert the header and footer with the page number, what I have to do. So go to file menu and edit menu, view menu. On the top menu bar you will find option called insert menu. So just select the insert menu, you will get option called header and footer. So once you select the header and footer, so just choose header or footer, just hit the button header. So automatically header will be open here. Just scroll down, you will get option called the footer. So if you want to insert footer separately, you have to select the footer option. So here you need to find HowXT documents. So something you just mentioned that, and if you want to insert the page number on the top of the header, means you can have a different types of options, so which is given from the options. Once you select the options, you will get a header format and a page number and remove header. For example, I want a header format for header page size and layout and first page or odd number or even number. You can choose the layout. For example, my header should be placed on the odd number or even number. I can choose my footer this inches, top inches, bottom inches. I can choose and apply for that. So for example, I want to insert the footer option. What I have to do, so just go to insert menu and just go to footer and select the footer option. So once you select the footer option, I would like to insert the page number. What I have to do, just click the options, get a page number. So once you select the page numbers, there are options. So footer or header, you want which position you want. You can choose start from the number 1, means you can select the number 1 and just click apply, means automatically page number will be applied over here in your footer. And header I have selected, and footer, if you want to change the color of the header and footer, you can double click on that and select the header option and choose some gray color or any other things. It will be changed into documents to the header and footer. That is a beautiful option which is given from the Google Docs. For example, if you want to create some documents, if you want to have something on the header and footer, you can insert the header and footer in your Google Docs. Hope this will help you to create your docs and with header and footer. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.